Just walk very slowly because this is at 4,500 already. And the streets are frozen after -15 last night. Very beautiful landscape that only God can manage to draw and create. Thank you, Tabuche. I think that's Chowalatse.